So, welcome to this tutorial on setting up Open Assistant on your own server. What do you need? A server, a one-liner, which we're about to set up, and maybe for this tutorial, an Open Router API key so you can validate that everything works. Let's get started. So on the homepage of Open Assistant, you can find this one-liner, you can copy it here, and then we can take it to the VM. Let's go there. For this walkthrough, I've set up a virtual machine on Hetzner. You can set it up on AWS, Azure, your own data center, your own NUC whatsoever. But be aware of the networking of your actual server. Be sure to close it off from the internet. Make sure that no one can actually enter it, because you're about to set up an assistant that will have access to quite some critical systems. So you better be safe than sorry. So let's get started. First, I paste in the one-liner, then simply hit enter. Let's go. So it found that Docker is installed, found the IP of the server I'm running this demo on. Let's enter. I want to use Open Router. I'm going to use ZAI's GLM5 Turbo. I'll take my Open Router API key. Let's go. Then it's starting up my server. It configured what I had to do. And now I can see that it actually started running. You can hit Control-C. What you will see is that there is a QR code that will pop up during the installation that you can use to link your WhatsApp number as well. That's on your own terms. WhatsApp is able to connect to Open Assistant. And then if you want to go and check the chat UI, you simply go to the URL that was there. So I will Control-click it. I'll switch my screen over there. Here we are. I am on the IP of the server on the port on which Open Assistant is running. So you can see this is not a secure connection. If you can figure out all your networking, which I really suggest that you do that, because out of the box Open Assistant is open. You can configure it however you like. There is the managed platform if you do not know how to set up a server yourself, or if you don't have any server yourself at all. So feel free to check that out as well. So if you want to test that it actually works, what can you do? Let's give it a shot. And we can see that Open Assistant is thinking, which is good. But I responded. It can do quite a bunch of things. And then for yourself, you can see however you want to update the agents, change the tool configuration, enable a bunch of integrations. You'll have to add quite a bit of keys. But there you go. It's been set up and you can use it with a whole bunch of your own tools. Enjoy.